Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Watchlist module in Quotestream. So in order to add a new column in a watch list, you would right click on an existing column and then add a column before or after. Let's go before and let's go to quote information and let's do change %. Okay, so that's good. We've just added one more. So we're going to right click again on the top of the change percentage column. And we're going to add another column before. And let's go with, say, bid. Okay, well, now that we have bid, it probably makes sense that we're going to want ask too. So let's put it after the bid. So we're going to go to the percentage change column. And maybe, or at the same time, you could add a column before. Oh, wait, you can't. That's because that's the limit of the number of columns you can have in a watch list. So if you want a quick look at, a market, you can, as the example shows here for watch list US sectors for this watch list, you kind of have it broken down into different sectors. So you get kind of an idea of which sector is doing what. We have energy here, it looks pretty red, surprising. And finance has a bit more green. The banks are doing good, and credit cards and everything. And so this gives you the opportunity to kind of, get a wall. But you can only have, say, up to, I believe it's 6 different columns in addition to the symbol column. But at the same time, you can add sections. So if I wanted to add a section in the watch list, I could right click on the column header again, and I am going to add a new section. And so it creates a new section here. And so it's kind of like you got to customize it to have it look to your preferences. So I'm going to remove the bid column because I don't want that. So I'm going to right click on the bid column and remove it. So now we have a bit more room here. And if you wanted, you could type in new symbols. And to type in a new symbol, there's a few ways to do it. You can click in the box. And from here, we're just going to type in a symbol. So let's go with Netflix. Type it in, press enter. Let's put in another symbol. Let's go with Disney, D-I-S. Enter. Good. And that's how it's done. That's how you enter a symbol. If you don't want Disney there, you like Netflix better, you can right click on Disney and remove symbol. You can also edit the symbol. And then also, if you want, you can see how there's these headers and they're kind of got a different color and they kind of separate things. So we have tech and energy. So you would right click on here and we would go add heading. And maybe we're going to call this entertainment. Press enter. And there it is. So now you have that heading. If you want to remove it, you can right click and you can remove the heading. And so that's a quick way to be able to, if you wanted, you could edit the symbol. So I right clicked and I edit the symbol. Or if I just kind of click in it, one left click, it's going to change it to that. And then I can switch to whatever symbol I might want to add. And so let's put in, maybe Snapchat. And there it goes. Want to add Disney? Okay, let's type in Disney. Maybe I look at this and I'm like, well, Snap, I kind of think of that's more a tech stock. So I'm going to left click on Snap. And I'm going to wait till it goes to this little flash. Then I'm going to move it over to wherever I want. And whenever I drop it, that's where it's going to go. And so you can just left click and drop. And now it's over there. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to see more of our tutorial videos.